WT0378, Miss Melody Loyola, 30 years old, married, a college graduate with 2 years of housemaid experience in the Philippines. Miss Melody, tell me something about yourself.
I am Melody Loyola, 30 years old, married. I have one daughter, a 9-year-old. I took a Bachelor of Science in Computer Science 4-year course. I also took up a vocational course, caregiver. I have an work experience at Allen District Hospital as nursing attendant.
So, Miss Melody, are you willing to work as a domestic helper in Hong Kong?
Yes.
Okay. So, who will take care of your child once you go to Hong Kong?
My husband.
Okay. Is it okay for your husband for you to go to Hong Kong and work?
Yes.
Okay. So, can you tell me some of your hobbies as an individual?
I love singing and cooking.
Okay. So, one of your hobbies is cooking, right?
Yes.
Do you know how to cook Chinese foods?
Yes, chop suey, siomai, steamed fish, and sweet and sour.
Okay. So, for example, you're already in Hong Kong, then their employer asks you to take care of a newborn baby. Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes.
Can you tell me the step-by-step procedure in bottle feeding?
Okay, first you have to wash your hands.
Okay.
Then boil the water,
Okay.
steam the bottle, and then if you are preparing for the milk,
Okay.
the measurement is, you can read the measurement at the bottle of the milk. And then before you give the milk to the baby, you have to taste if it is warm or cold before you give to the baby.
Okay. So, for example, in Hong Kong, your employer asks you to take care of a toddler. What could you teach the child?
I can teach them how to sing or dance, and also I can teach him or them to finish their homework.
Okay. So, do you know how to sing any lullaby song? Because you made mention that you will teach them how to sing.
Yes.
Okay, can you sing one for us?
I love you, you love me. We are happy family, and a great big hug with a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too?
Okay, thank you very much. So, what will be your message to your soon-to-be or future employer in Hong Kong?
Sir, madam, if you choose me as your housemaid, I am promised I am a hard-working person and a trustworthy. I promise to follow all your rules and regulations. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Loyola.